Hello guys, in this video we try to see something related to Twitter. Is Twitter back? So stay tuned. Hello guys, my name is Abdelkarim Ramain. We try to see Twitter because Twitter, Facebook, Apple, and a lot of stocks, they have a lot of gap ups and gap downs. So we just try to see what's Twitter is doing from the chart. So let's go. So as you can see, Twitter here, it has a very big gap down. The stock was $42, it goes to 34, and then it goes to 31. Okay, so 42 to 31 is a lot of money. It's like 25% of the money is gone. And then the stock is going up a little bit, then go down, go up. There is a gap up here, then it goes up. Now, what I want to mention is, does Twitter follow the market as I showed you before? And I say yes. Here is 26 December that I always talk about, because this is something very thing that happened. So you can see here. And we can put, for example, a line here showing the low of this day and showing the day, 26 December. So the stock was 28. Now it is 38. Okay? So $28.66. And it goes to it means $10. Okay, $10 is more than 33 or 34, 35%. Okay, so the stock was going up very good, and then we have here a gap down. Now, but even though there is a gap down because of the news, but the trend continues to go up, and then we have a very big gap up, and then the stock is going down. Okay, so we will never know if it continues to go down or to go up again. So understand that Twitter follow the whole market, and it is doing good right now, like Facebook and like the other stocks. And hope those guys, I didn't buy Twitter recently, but those who bought it, I think they will be making a lot of money from it if they have bought it earlier. Okay, because for me, as I told you before, you should never buy just because there is a earning. For example, if you bought here at 34, okay, you bought here at 34 before the earnings, and then it goes to 30. Okay, if you bought 100 shares, you will lose $400. So it means relying on prediction is too bad. Okay, even if you make good money here, understand that if you do it another time, maybe you get a bad thing like this and you lose a lot of money. So for me, the best thing is to follow the trend, not to follow the earnings by themselves. Okay, so this is very important. What I do always when I am in a trend, most of the cases, 100%, I will not sell. Okay, I will not sell because of the earning news. You guys, if you are following the trend for a long time and you accumulate a lot of money, you can, for example, sell half or sell the majority of shares and risk little money for the for the news, because understand the news could be good, could be bad, and you could have a gap up, could have a gap down. So don't predict too much. But what I think is that Twitter is doing good right now since 26 December, as majority of the stocks that follow the market. Okay, so thank you very much and see you next time.